So I thought I'd show you this. I got a little board with putting everything in little Ziploc baggies. So I took some pretty necklaces and hung them in my bedroom window. And I will never be able to duplicate what this looks like with the sun coming through. But that's my new curtain. Okay, here are 2 buckets of chains that I bought today from a woman on Marketplace. And I will certainly not do a video of unboxing these, but I will show you in the end what I found. Is there any silver in there? I didn't get the gold tone one because I can use the silver for reimagining pieces, but there it is. So this bucket, 4.4 pounds, $15, and this bucket was 5, and these are more brownish tones, and these are all silver tones. Looks like a little bit of gold there. Let's see what I get. Okay, so I showed you what I threw away. This is another, because I've had a little time, another amount that is going to go in the garbage. I've rescued everything that I can. This container has things I still need to, I'll tell you, the whole bin, it was like somebody came along and cut all the chains. It was not hard to untangle, and I think that's because they cut everything. Like almost every chain was cut. So that's okay because I kind of bought it for this, but I'm still harvesting bits and pieces from these things, and they'll come in handy. This is what I've harvested so far. Things that I'm going to use, tassels, lots of findings, and I've still got more to go. So, also in the other container, this one, there's pieces of chain that I'd really like to work with. So there's lots to do in there. And so this one originally was filled with silver tone chains, and it was $15 for 4.4 pounds. And this was $5 for more bronzy tone things. And then I got, these are all of the individual chains that I thought were worth saving. Some of them have really nice old clasps on them, and none of these are silver or gold or anything, but like I had to keep this because look at the clasp on that. So that's pretty cool. And so those are going to come in handy when I'm, reimagining stuff that I reimagine. And I don't need to show you all those. So, and then we have this, and this is stuff that needs a quick fix. So, this chain doesn't have an O-ring on it. And what's wrong with you? Yeah, this is all wonky here, but those are really pretty. If I can show you properly. Well, hang on, I can. They're very pretty. There. And I'll show you the back because I think it's really important to look at how it's made. So I just really like this. Anyway, all of these just need either a clasp or an O-ring or something, and then they're done, and nothing is too difficult. This one I found really interesting. It looks sort of more Indian. I think I can get more light on this. Yeah. Jason told me to use more light, and I didn't even have it aimed properly. There was nothing in this. So, what's wrong with this guy? Well, nothing. It's got an N on it. I like that chain. This one is interesting. I think one of the chains just needs to be reattached. But, oh my gosh. You get the idea. I like that. So, on Linda, it looks a little bit like that. No, it doesn't look anything like that. Anyway, that's what that is. So these are all things that need a quick fix, and I can do that. So that's that. And this one, everything on this, except for what I dropped on the floor, everything on this is silver, or seems to be silver. This one is, I'm sure it's a fake Chanel. It's still pretty, but it is silver. And so I liked that. And this is a beautiful silver chain, or bracelet. I really like that. I may have to add that to my collection here. Yeah, that's really well made. There's no mark on this that I've found. However, I did not look very hard. So all these are just tested with, oh, they're not magnetic. And then I'm told that you get used to the feel of silver, which I'm getting used to. But there's also seems to be a smell, and here's a really great necklace that's pretty tarnished, and this is the cartouche on it. It says JNY. I don't know if you could see that. Anyway, that's that chain. And yeah, there's some just bits and pieces. I'll have to figure out, if I think that chain is broken, it's still silver, so it will go into scrapping. And so that was a nice surprise. This one is really pretty. I like that. Switch over. Now this stuff coming up is the stuff that's wearable. So here's a nice heavy pale gold tone bracelet, and I don't know what this is, but I find it really interesting. I'll do something with that. And let's see. Oh, this is lovely. This is a collar necklace, gold tone, in a really good shape. And that's what it looks like on Linda. It's pretty. And what's this here? It's just a dynamite, but I liked it. It'd be nice with a evening dress. It's very small. It's for somebody tiny. Still thought that was really pretty. Nice rhinestones. It's in good shape. And then there's just some chains. Oh, this one's got pretty little blue crystals in it. Somebody would look so pretty wearing that. And this one, which I found interesting. I have got so many pendants that need a home. Oh, loved this. I really love this. So look at the sparkle in that. So it's silver and black, and I think it's really quite beautiful. Yeah. And this is a bit of interesting chainmail that I'm going to play with. Yeah. And this is not magnetic. I have no idea what it is, but the cartouche is like a C, almost like a copyright symbol. I don't know who that is, but I liked this a lot. So every second ball is shiny, and every other one is, I don't know, it's textured and a little duller, but I think that's really pretty. So that's that. And this is a belt, and it is in excellent shape, and the tag says made in Korea. So I don't know who that is, but it's really cool belt. I heard they're coming back, chain belts, are they? So again, just more chains. Oh, I love this. This is bronze color. I don't know what it's made from, but it's a triple strand, and it's really quite beautiful. It's very, it's just great. So that's what it looks like, and it would look really good on my friend Darlene, who's got crazy red hair. And this is another one that's, I don't know, it's going to be something interesting at some point. I will play with it, but that's what that looks like. And it's pretty lightweight, but yeah, that's what that is. And is there anything else to show here? It's so light metal, it's almost plastic. But somebody might like to wear that. And you know, I think the more we can not throw things in the garbage, the better. As I'm going to throw all that away, but it's just, and then this, oh, I think this needs fixing. I'll have to figure this out somehow. I think, there's a ring missing right there. And so this is it looks like silver, but every time I say that, it's like, boom, yeah, like that. But that ring, yeah, that ring looks like silver, and does the toggle. Yeah, just, anyway, that's an easy fix. And this stretchy bracelet that's a bronzy color. I go too fast. This one's really interesting. Express. Associations with really really nicely set rhinestones. Yeah, that one's nice. Pretty. It's really well made. I don't really care who makes stuff. How well they make it is more important. This is interesting. I didn't really notice this before. It's a very small necklace, but there are black crystals in there, and I don't know if you can see that. It's really pretty. So simple. And I think, oh, there's this one. That's going to be fun to put something on. Maybe some glass beads and a nice pendant. And there's this one too. And again, no, it's so deceiving. It looks like silver, but it's not. And it's an older one. It's got a this kind of clasp, which the name eludes me at the moment. And oh, there's a nice rope bracelet. There's all kind for the $20 I paid. I would have paid that much just to get all those fittings and stuff, because there's some old ones in there as well. And then there's these bracelets, which I can have fun with. They're not silver. They're silver colored, but I like the chain. And oh, this is so delicate. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. So it's just that wire stuff with little rhinestones on it, and it's a Y necklace. Or no, it's got, tassel-y, sort of. Do two count as a tassel? Anyway, really pretty. And I think that's all I need to show you. I just wanted you to see what I got for $20. And, the silver alone, like the one bracelet alone is worth a lot. So, and you know what? It's really fun to go through. But by the time I went through this, my hands were just filthy. They were so dirty. And thanks for joining me.